Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to play also sprach Zarathustra, also is known as Space Odyssey 2001 theme. Basically, whole time we do tremolo with this hand, and we start with open 5th string, 7th fret, 12th fret, transition. Open string, 7th fret, 12th fret, transition. We had 3 transitions. First was from A major to A minor, second was from A minor to A major, and third was from A major to this. First finger, 2nd fret, all strings, second finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 3rd finger goes to the 4th string, 4th fret. Then we slide. Previous part was ended with. Now we continue. So basically we start with this chord. It's open D string. First finger is on 3rd string, 4th fret. 3rd finger is on 2nd string, 6th fret, and 4th finger is on the 1st string, 7th fret. Continue. Basically we use only these 2 fingers, 1st and 4th. We hold an octave, and 2nd string is muted with this finger, so it sounds. And we don't use 4th string, so we play like this. Then goes solo. We have. Then again. And the last part is. We hold an octave, 2nd string is still muted, but now we hit this string, slide, then we hold with 1st finger, first 4 strings on the 14th fret, 3rd finger is over here, and now we hit open A string as well, so it sounds like. Thank you for watching, hope it helped, see you next time.